advanced level. Today I'm going to share my learning experience in TLC. It was awesome because I learned so many things from here. Before joining TLC, I was unaware of correct concept about English, about anything in English, and I had hesitation in speaking in front of people. But after joining TLC, I felt a huge change in myself, and I have got each and everything which I always needed in English, like pronunciation, accent, reading, writing, speaking power, and most important thing, confidence. I gained my confidence by giving presentation in class and by doing different activities, which was very interesting. And I can say with open heart that I can speak English with everyone, and even I can deliver a speech in front of 100 people. And it's just because of my teacher, my mentor, Sir Afzal Hussain, who taught us beautifully, who delivered his powerful messages in entertaining way, which made us laugh a lot. And I learned. Sir, actually I was here to learn English, but day by day I realized that it's not only the great platform where we can learn English, but it also a motivational institute where you can motivate yourself by sir. I learned that how can I will be successful in my life, that how can I kick out my worries also. So I am really thankful to you that you give me this opportunity, and I can never forget each and every moment which I spent here, and I will miss you and TLC and all of my classmates, and the best experience that I have ever had in my life. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ms. Sood. I'm a student of TLC Advanced Level. I'm here to share my I have been here for the last 8 months. Today I'm here to share my last 8 month experience in front of you. I still remember when I came here, I was pretty nervous and I had a low confidence, and my English wasn't so good. But now, alhamdulillah, I have been satisfied with my English, and I can speak fluently and confidently. I have improved my reading skills and my analytical skills. I also learned many things. I also learned to use interesting things that how can be used in writing. So I have enough potential to write good stories and short notes. This 8-month journey didn't just improve my English, but played a great impact in changing my lifestyle, especially Syed Afzal Hussain, who brightened my personality. His teaching style is totally different from others, as he treats every student with their mind level. The main thing is he gives his individual attention to every student. He put all his effort just not to make our English better, but to make ourselves a good human being in a society. I feel so lucky to being a student of this great personality. In the end, I would like to thank all my classmates who really support me throughout this journey, and thanks to TLC who made my life, who made me a better person.
Meet myself, Ayman. Today I want to share my learning experience in TLC. First, I would like to say thanks to my respected Sir Syed Afzal Hussain that he made me able to speak in front of you. When I took admission in TLC, I was very confused. I was very nervous. Personally speaking, I was like a dry flower, which has no beauty, no fragrance. But day by day, I started believing in myself. Because Sir teaches us that believe in yourself. If you have belief in yourself, you can do everything in this world. He motivates us to be happy in all ways of life, whether the circumstances is wrong or right. In TLC, we haven't learned only English. We learned that how can we be happy in all ways of life, that how can we lead a happy life, the key of success. And in the end, I would like to say one word for my respected sir, that he is a life changer. And thank you so much to all my classmates, all my viewers to support me in this journey. And I won't forget this journey in TLC ever. And I will miss you guys a lot. Thank you so much.
my name is Sayyid Waqas Lisha and now I have completed my advanced level. So, I want to share my experience of TLC. I still remember when I joined TLC with my 3 friends, I always got confused in front of others. But I am very thankful to my respected Sir Sayyid Afzal Hussain who taught me very nicely, very beautifully in this level. I can speak very easily. I am special to TLC. I can talk in front of others because my teacher has made me able to speak in front of others. Moreover, in advanced level, I enjoyed a lot because in this level I played different games on the basis of the study point like lab test, word games, presentation and speech contest also. I learned a lot from motivation videos. Oh my god, there was such a beautiful videos. And now I am going to leave TLC. I will miss a lot my Sir Sayyid Afzal Hussain. I will miss a lot this TLC. And I want to give you an advice. If you want to learn English in TLC, you will have to work hard and concentrate on your study and speaking power and listening power also. Thank you very much. Best of another classes.
As you all know that I am Hirasma from Advanced Level and today my topic is my learning experience in TLC. So when I came here, I had lack of confidence. I know English but I didn't know how to speak very effectively, how to use my body language and how to use my expression. You can also see the difference between my old videos and this video. I'm totally changed. So I made my mind for just get a diploma from here and that's it. But when I saw the environment of TLC, I changed my mind. In this institute, all you need is hard work and your progress. If you don't do this, so that's very big. That's very big mistake you have done. And I have done hard work and also I gradually achieved so many success here. And my respected sir motivates me and my all classmates encourages me to get more and more success. I also won the competition and before this I got my monthly assessment. And when I saw that assessment, it was very bad and I felt unwanted and I feel down because I got B grade and C grade. So that was the turning point here. And then I changed myself and then I'm here in front of you. So I won't able to describe my whole journey in TLC in just 2 minutes. So that's all from my side. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Waqas Ahmed and I am the student of TLC. Today I am here to explain my journey for TLC. So let's start. I joined TLC for learning English. First day for my TLC, I was so afraid and nervous. But after some time, I managed all the things very well. Especially, I gained my confidence level. And because confidence level is so important for my life. And speaking English. I speak good English maximum 10 months. And this 10 months is so remarkable for me because I learned so many things. Not only English, I learned ethics, manner, behavior, and so many other things I learned. Before I came to TLC, I didn't say any word in front of the class. But now I complete my 10 or 15 speeches in front of the class with the blessing of Allah and so hard work of my respected sir, Sayyid Afzal Hussain. Every time he motivated me. Sometimes I perform bad, but he motivated me. I think that's why I speak good English. So lastly I say, all my achievement I dedicated for my parents because they also motivated me, supported me. Sometimes at my home, I didn't come at the time, but my parents didn't say anything. And I thankful my Allah, my parents, my teacher, my brother and my sister, especially my classmate. Lastly, I say, I thankful my whole life.
today I'm going to present my experience. How's my experience in TLC? So just have a look. First of all, I thank my Allah to give me this opportunity to share my experience with others. I love to share experiences with others. When I came in TLC, I was very confused about my very first class. If I'm not wrong, I took admission 1 year ago. When I came in TLC for learning, I wasn't able to speak single sentence of English. Furthermore, I remembered my first speech. When I came in front of camera, I was very scared about my first speech. I forget everything, like words and my speech. But with the passage of time, my sir built my confidence. Now, I am very confident. Very confident in front of camera. I'm not scared. Sir appeared our confidence, our skills, our talent. I learned from my sir, always believe yourself. We have talent, we have confidence, we have skills, but we haven't confidence ourselves. If we start confidence ourselves, we can do what we want in this world. In the end, I thank my sir who helped me every step of my study in TLC, and my parents also. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyid Bilal Shah and I am from advanced level. Today I am immensely happy because I have completed my advanced level. So I want to share my learning experience of TLC. Guys, when I came in TLC, I was very afraid because I don't know English and I was very afraid how can I talk in front of others. After 1 month, I have started After 1 month, I improved myself by means of lab tests, by means of word games, by means of my friends, and by means of my respected teacher, Sir Sayyid Afzal Hussain. If you want to learn English, so you should join TLC because TLC is the best place for learning English. If you want to improve your speaking level, so you should join our class. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum, I am Aida Sheikh. I am from advanced level student in TLC. Today my presentation topic is share your experience in TLC. I hope you will enjoy my performance. So let's start. I have been coming to TLC for 1 year. I don't know how am I right or wrong. I have learned a lot about my life, how to control my emotions and learning experience. I am very much confident to speak English in front of many people. The environment of TLC is very good. Sir Sayyid Afzal Hussain teaches very well. I understand his teaching in Jeffrey. Sir give us confidence to speak English. Whenever I don't understand any topic at the time, I ask myself, he solve all of my problem. When I will complete my advanced level, I will joining NLP course inshallah and I will achieve my goal speaking English. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum to all my friends. You all know me very well, but for those who don't know me, my name is Sayyid Taha Ahmed and I am from advanced level. Today I will be sharing my learning experience in TLC. First of all, I would like to say that I am feeling pretty much relaxed that I have done all the hard work to come here. If you want to take my opinion for what is the best place for learning English, I would like to say that TLC is the best place for learning English because it blooms you in positive way. It gives you opportunities for your upcoming future. And when I first came here, I was not pretty much sure about myself, what will I do, and I was some sort of nervous. But my sir saw something special in me and he believed in me, and today I am here and speaking very well in front of you. So it's all the hard work that I have done and my teacher done on me. So in the end, I would like just to say that I was thanks to Almighty Allah that I have done all the hard work and my expectation in my classmates because they helped me very much. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mahazara. I am from advanced level. Today I am sharing my learning experience in TLC. When I came to TLC, I couldn't speak
simple sentence in English. I was totally blank. I can say in TLC my all levels were great. And if I talk about my advanced level is very excellent. And because I am quite able to speak in front of the audience and also in front of camera. And I am very confident. Now I am very confident because I have faced lots of challenges, and these challenges make me able to speak in front of people. And I was very immature. I was very short-tempered, and but now, alhamdulillah, I am very mature and I am controlling myself whenever I feel anger. How can we manage? How can we present ourselves in front of others? How can we present ourselves in front of others? It has really enjoyed, but because we all these things with the help of interesting lab programs and there are very interesting programs held there and very interesting speeches and debate programs held there.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I am Sayyid Amir Jafri from Advanced Level. Today I am here to let you know about my learning experiences in TLC. TLC, the Linguistic Center, is like becoming the part of my life. And now where I am is only because of my respected teacher, Sir Sayyid Afzal Hussain. Because I have learned many things here, like e-learning lab tests, how to improve my confidence or be real while speaking in front of others in English, and how to motivate others, which is a good learning experience here also. And I have got very good friends here, and they always try to motivate and support it in any manner, and especially in my class there are lots of supporting and motivated friends. In the end, I want to just say that all because of this is because of my respected teacher, Sir Afzal Hussain.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Myself Zara Yasir. I am a student of TLC and I want to share my experience in staying TLC. Well, I love my native language Urdu, but as you know, English is the language you will be able to use most widely. So I have decided to improve my language. When I joined TLC, my English was not good at all. I was afraid of speaking English in front of people all the time. But after finishing my intermediate level, I saw my confidence level has risen up. So I decided to keep on learning, because Napoleon said that if you are afraid and still go forward, you are brave. I have spent great time in TLC, and it will always keep in my memories. I'll never forget everything and every person about it. I will really miss them all. And one of the great memory about TLC is that when I have got trophy for my presentation, it was great. And one of the most beautiful part about TLC that Sir Afzal is not teach us only English, but he motivates us all the time for everything. And I have learned from him lots of great ways. So I don't think that my English is. I don't think that I have too much problem with my English. So I'm enjoying spreading my words in English. So stay blessed and trust your journey. Thanks very much.